In this video, I'll guide you through how to invite someone to a Webex meeting. Whether you're organizing an important business conference or just catching up with friends, Webex makes it easy to connect with people virtually. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to share your meeting link with others, ensuring a smooth and successful gathering. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to webex.com. This is the main portal for accessing all of Webex's features, from hosting meetings to managing your account settings. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. If you're new to Webex, you can easily sign up for an account by following the prompts on the screen. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Webex dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Meetings tab. This section is your gateway to scheduling, managing, and inviting participants to your meetings. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a tech expert. Webex will guide you through the process. Once you're in the meeting section, look towards the top of the page. You should see your meeting link displayed prominently. This link is crucial as it's the virtual door to your meeting space. Anyone who has it can join your meeting, so make sure to keep it handy. The next step is to copy this meeting link. You can do this by highlighting the link with your cursor and right-clicking to select copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Having this link copied means you're ready to share it with your intended participants. Now that you've copied the link, it's time to share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone you want to invite to your meeting. You can paste the link into an email, a text message, or even a chat app like WhatsApp or Slack. To paste it, simply right-click in your message field and select Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Make sure to include some context in your message, such as the time and date of the meeting, so your invitees know when to join. And that's it. You've successfully invited someone to a Webex meeting. By following these simple steps, you can easily connect with others no matter where they are in the world. Remember, the key is to keep your meeting link secure and only share it with those you want to attend. Thank you for watching this tutorial on inviting someone to a Webex meeting. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your virtual meeting tools. Happy meeting!